In the last Bonk video, I basically gave you the bottom of the bottom as a target. And I was looking to short this, but I saw longs were still in control and no serious amount of longs were closing at this rate. So we were looking for a dump, which didn't happen, and now we're looking for new trades. So first of all, the first thing is this video is not financial advice. Hit the like button. I won't waste a second. We're starting ASAP. We're gonna draw a trend line, and you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend. We broke out of the bear trend, and we definitely have upwards curvature right here. Not only that, but when we go to the daily chart, you can see that we're slowly moving from red money flow to green. It's not gonna be that easy to get, but it's doable. The ideal scenario is when you have VWAP plus money flow like we had here. We don't have that right now here on the 30-minute or the daily, and that's why we'll see the 30-minute. 30 minutes is looking how is it looking? I wouldn't say it's looking too good, but here's the game plan. Here's how I'm planning to trade this. So if we get a breakout, we really want to sweep these lows, right? If we get a breakout to the upside, we really want to sweep these highs. Highs are where a lot of stop losses will be ahead. So I'm either interested in taking a short from here or taking a long from here, or an actual breakout from this trend line, which would also be pretty good. To the downside, potentially sweeping these lows right here, which is an important area for taking profit, because and there's enough liquidity for new longs to come in. Even if we establish a bull trend, we can always rely on one of these lines to hold us. If this video helped you out, give me a like. If you want to learn more about my strategy, I'll have links to the description down below. For my course and signals chat, we're up 274 grand on meme coins. And also in the link in the description down below, I'll have links for BingX, who are currently giving away 8 grand for new users. Check it out, link in the description down below. Love with all my heart. See you next video.